Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to log in for Citizens Bank. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Go to your web browser and type in www.citizensbank.com and enter. Doing this will take you to Citizens' official website that looks like this. To log in, you'll see a box at the upper right corner. Select the area where you want to log in from the drop-down menu and click on the login button. Doing so will take you to another page where you can enter your user ID, your password to log in. Enter your user ID first, and if you want the site to remember you, click on Remember User ID. On the next field, enter your password for your account. And in case you don't remember the password and are having trouble logging into your account, click on Trouble Login In link provided under the password box and follow the instructions to reset back to a new password and log into your account smooth. After entering your credentials, click on the login button and you'll be logged into Citizens Bank account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.